Most clinics will have loans, hire purchases or leases. In order to record these loans/leases amounts and the payments, usually monthly, first the loan providers must be saved. Go to the admin page. Click Details. Click Add Loan Providers. Click New. Enter the name of the loan provider here. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete loan provider, click A to list all loan providers, or search by the name. Select the loan provider from the drop-down list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save, or Del to delete. Only when loan provider has been saved, loans or leases can be recorded. Click Account to see how this looks. Click New under Loans Taken. Here you can select the loan provider. Now the loan/lease details can be entered and saved. More on this in Loan Installments and Interest. Important installments/payments for loan/leases cannot be saved as expenses. That's it. You're done.